Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this Bajaj dry iron, which is of 1000 watts. If I want to say the exact model, Bajaj Majesty DHX9 1000 watt dry iron. See, in the previous video, this is on my channel, I unboxed Ricoh AI13 heavyweight iron box, which is of same 1000 watts, similar category. That's the reason. If you miss this unboxing video, I'll place the link in the description for that Ricoh. Please do check it. For now, we'll open this. Before getting open this, I'll just read the highlights for you. Non-stick German coating technology, optimally designed. Double layer non-stick coating means this part non-stick coating. Antibacterial non-stick coating, cool touch handle, adjustable temperature settings, different fabrics for different fabrics, denim mode. Okay, I'll be just opening and I'll also show you the price. Oh, okay, sorry. And this is the Nutri Pro bullet mixer grinder juicer, and for smoothies this is very useful. I just unboxed this. I uploaded this in a separate video. I'll also paste the link in the description for this unboxing video. Please do check. It got with two jars, this one and this one. Okay, coming back and just for a moment we'll check the price here. I got this for 1250 rupees. Now the price has been reduced to 100 rupees, so which is a good thing. So let us check this. Yeah, I'll be keeping it here. Yeah, this is heavyweight as it is mentioned. Yeah, see here I have just took this out from the box, and before using this you need to read this user manual because it is better to use. Anyway, I'm going to explain this one by one, but at the end of the video I'll be also showing the small iron test just for the working video. And this is 2 years warranty. Okay, this is the warranty card which is included in the box only. With the box only it was there, and there is this cover. I need to just remove this out of the cover. Yeah, see here there are 5 settings. This is minimum and 5 is the maximum, and that too here at this plate it is mentioned that one is for nylon. See this one, if you keep this heat adjustment pin to one, it would be nylon. 2 for silk, 3 for wool, and 4 is the cotton, and 5th is the linen. And this is the indicator. So I'll be just plugging this, and I'll also show you the length of this power cord. So many will ask the length, especially when you're going for a dry iron or any iron box. So we'll go to the live test now. Yeah, see here, maybe I need to remove this plate or something like that. I exactly don't know, but I just switch on the power. I just kept in the cable, and this is the length. See, this is the length of the cable. Probably this shirt would be a cotton shirt. For the cotton it is mentioned like 4, so I kept it in 4, and this is in the heating mode, and I'll try to iron this. Okay, and to my hand it's really feeling heavy, only heavyweight only. See, when I'm moving this, if you can observe, this is all the wrinkles, right? On the wrinkles area I'll be just, yeah, pasting. Yeah, yeah. I want to tell you one thing. This white paper, no, I didn't remove it, but I just directly switched on the power. So you keep in mind that you should remove that paper thing, because due to the heat it gets sticky. So first of all, don't do these mistakes as I did. So just remove that and be careful. And coming to the iron, I'll be just, see here, very nice iron it has completed. Yeah, see here, this heavyweight iron is making my work easier in the sense, due to this heavy weight, the cloth is getting iron very quickly and easily. and I kept in minimum one only, but still it is doing this work pretty good. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Anyway, for after using it for 2 months, I'll making a review video on that. Yeah.